Are you looking for the best? Hanging chairs have become a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor spaces. They provide a cozy spot to relax and unwind. With so many options available, selecting the best hanging chair can be challenging. This guide highlights the top choices, considering comfort, durability, and design. List number 1. Elevate your relaxation with the Home Hanging Egg Chair. Crafted from durable wicker, it promises style and comfort. The soft cushion invites you to unwind after a long day. Perfect for your balcony, garden, or bedroom. Holds up to 330 pounds, ensuring safety and stability. Transform your outdoor or indoor space into a cozy retreat. Advantages: enhances any outdoor or indoor space beautifully. Provides a cozy and comfortable seating experience. Crafted from durable rattan for long-lasting use. Holds up to 330 pounds, ensuring sturdy support. Includes a plush cushion for added comfort. List number 2. Rope Swing. Experience ultimate relaxation with the Y-Stop Hammock Chair Hanging Rope Swing. This hammock chair supports up to 500 pounds, ensuring safety and comfort. Enjoy the cozy feel of 2 included cushions in a large macrame design. A convenient pocket keeps essentials close while you unwind. The included hardware kit makes setup a breeze. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces, adding a touch of comfort and style. Advantages: offers superior comfort with 2 soft, included cushions. Perfect for relaxation. Holds up to 500 pounds. Safe and durable for everyone. Features a handy pocket. Keeps essentials within easy reach. Large macrame design adds style. Enhances any indoor or outdoor space. Comes with a hardware kit. Simple and quick installation. List number 3. Hanging Swinging Chair. Transform your space with the Crofem Macrame Hammock Chair. Ideal for relaxation in bedrooms and porches. Its soft beige design complements any decor. Medium cushion offers cozy comfort for adults. Perfect for lounging on balconies. Enjoy gentle swinging moments with style and ease. Advantages: experience ultimate relaxation with the Crofem Macrame Hammock Chair. This stylish chair adds a cozy touch to any space. Easy to install and perfect for unwinding. Enhance your home's aesthetic with its elegant beige design. A neutral color that complements various decor styles effortlessly. Enjoy comfort with the medium cushion, providing soft support. Ideal for reading, napping, or simply enjoying your favorite view. Versatile placement options make it suitable for bedrooms, porches, or balconies. Indoor or outdoor, it fits seamlessly into any environment. Crafted from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting use and stability. A reliable choice for adults seeking a peaceful retreat. List number 4. Hammock Chair. Relax in style with the Songmix Hanging Chair. The large, thick cushion offers ultimate comfort. Perfect for any bedroom, patio, or garden. Holds up to 264 pounds, ensuring stability. Cream white color adds a boho touch. Accessories included for easy setup. Advantages: experience ultimate comfort with the large, thick cushion provided. Stylish boho design enhances any bedroom, patio, or balcony. Durable construction supports up to 264 pounds with ease. Easy setup with all necessary accessories already included. Versatile use in gardens, balconies, or indoors for relaxation. List number 5. Rope Swing. Relax in style with the High Wild Hammock Chair Hanging Rope Swing. This chair supports up to 500 pounds, making it sturdy and reliable. 2 cozy cushions add extra comfort. The steel spreader bar with anti-slip rings ensures safety. Perfect for any indoor or outdoor space, it offers a chic beige look. Enjoy a peaceful retreat right at home. Advantages: relaxation meets durability with this hammock chair. Supports up to 500 pounds, ensuring safety and comfort for everyone. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Versatile design fits any setting, enhancing your relaxation experience. Comes with 2 cushions included. Provides additional comfort for extended lounging. Steel spreader bar offers added stability. Anti-slip rings prevent unwanted movement, keeping you secure. Beige color complements various styles. Easily blends with any decor, adding a touch of elegance.